Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the basics of hardscaping, perfect for beginners who want to upgrade their outdoor space with some easy, affordable DIY projects. Hardscaping is all about the hard, non-living elements in your yard, like stone patios, gravel walkways, fire pits, and retaining walls. These features add beauty, function, and long-lasting value. Before we get started, let's look at the tools and materials you'll need for these simple projects. Shovel and rake wheelbarrow level. Landscape fabric, gravel, pavers, or stone edging material. Fire pit kit, optional. First up, creating a gravel pathway. It's as simple as marking your path, digging out the area, laying down landscape fabric to stop weeds, and adding a layer of gravel. It's budget-friendly and adds lovely texture to your garden. Next, a small stone patio. Choose flat, sturdy stones like flagstone. Lay a compacted sand or gravel base. Arrange the stones to fit snugly and fill joints with sand or mortar. It's a great spot for outdoor seating or dining. Who doesn't love a fire pit? Many kits available make it easy. Otherwise, stack fire bricks in a circle, making sure it's level and safe. Remember to check local regulations before installing. Here are some quick tips for your DIY hardscape projects. Always plan your layout carefully before digging. Use a level to keep surfaces even. Invest in quality materials within your budget. Start small and expand as you gain confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found these ideas helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY outdoor living tips. And don't forget to check the description for resources and links to all the materials mentioned.